Hi, welcome to English vocabulary course. I am Bajrangi from India and I am a teacher and course instructor. I have gained experience of teaching English for 5 years. My course on Udemy is different because here you will get adjective, noun, synonyms, antonyms, all types of word meaning, which has proved to be very necessary for any exam as like UPSC, TOEFL and any exam. This course can increase you a lot of knowledge in vocab and you can speak English confidently. This course is designed for everyone. So what's the delay? Come and join this course and increase your knowledge. In this course, you will get very most important English vocab words with noun, adjective, adverb, verb, synonyms, antonyms. For presentation, word false. First adjective related word false. Definition not in accordance with the fact or reality or actuality. For example, gave false testimony under oath. Second example, false tales of bravery. Second adjective related word mistaken. Definition arising from error. For example, a false assumption. Second example, a mistaken view of the situation. Synonyms word untrue, erroneous, fallacious, sophistical, spurious, deceptive, fabrication, counterfeit, mendacious, sham, mock, bogus, unfaithful, fib, flaccidity, fiction, dishonorable, faithless. Antonyms word true, correct, sound, conclusive, authentic, real, genuine, candid, honorable, faithful. Word fame. First noun related word celebrity, renown. Definition the state or quality of being widely. Second definition honored and acclaimed. Second noun related word fame. Definition favorable public reputation. Synonyms word report, rumor, brute, news, tidings, renown, glory, honor, laurels, celebrity, reputation, credit. Antonyms word silence, suppression, hush, disgrace, dishonor, disrepute. Word famous. First adjective related word celebrated, famed, far famed, illustrious, notable, noted, renowned. Definition widely known and esteemed. For example, a famous actor. Second example, a celebrated musician. Third example, a famed scientist. Synonyms word renowned, glorious, celebrated, illustrious, far famed. Antonyms word unknown, obscure, unsung, inglorious. Hi, thanks for joining this course. Now you are going to acquire a different level of knowledge and you are going to confidently increase your vocab knowledge. So let's get started. Word narrate. First verb related word narrate. Definition provide commentary for a film, for example. Second verb related word tell, recount, recite. Definition narrate or give a detailed account of. For example, tell what happened, Second example, the father told a story to his child. Synonyms word recite, tell, report, detail, relate, rehearse, recount. Antonyms word suppress, conceal, blink, misreport, misrepresent, misrelate, misstate. Word nascent. First adjective related word nascent. Definition being born or beginning. For example, the nascent chicks. Second example, a nascent insurgency. Synonyms word youthful, rising, green, incipient, embryo, rudimental, budding. Antonyms word mature, aged, confirmed, developed, grown. Word not. First noun related word nothing, nil, nix, nada, null, art, cipher, cipher, guj egg, zero, zilch, zip, zippo. Definition a quantity of no importance. For example, it looked like nothing I had ever seen before. Second example, reduced to nil all the work we had done. Third example, we racked up a pathetic goose egg. Fourth example, it was all for naught. Fifth example, I didn't hear zilch about it. Second noun related word, not. Definition, complete failure. For example, all my efforts lead to naught. Synonyms word, nothing. Antonyms word, art, anything, everything. Word nausea. First noun related word sickness. Definition the state that precedes vomiting. Second noun related word nausea. Definition disgust so strong it makes you feel sick. Synonyms word loathing, disgust, abomination, qualm, seasickness. Antonyms word taste, release, enjoyment. Word nauseous. First adjective related word nauseating, noisome, queasy, loathsome, offensive, sickening, vile. Definition causing or able to cause nausea. For example, a nauseating smell. Second example, nauseous offal. Third example, a sickening stench. Second adjective related word nauseated, queasy, sick, sickish. Definition feeling nausea. Second definition feeling about to vomit. Synonyms word loathsome, sickening, disgusting, see abominable. Word necessary. First adjective related word necessary. Definition absolutely essential. Second adjective related word necessary. Definition unavoidably determined by prior circumstances. For example, the necessary consequences of one's actions. Synonyms word certain, inevitable, indispensable, requisite, essential, compulsory, needful, expedient. Antonyms word contingent, casual, optional, discretional, unnecessary, unessential, free. Word necessity. First noun related word necessity. Definition the condition of being essential or indispensable. Second noun related word essential, requirement, requisite, necessary. Definition anything indispensable. For example, food and shelter are necessities of life. Second example, the essentials of the good life. Synonyms word indispensableness, inevitableness, need, indigence, requirement, want, fate, destiny. Antonyms word dispensableness, uncertainty, superfluity, uselessness, competence, affluence, causality, contingency, freedom, choice. Word needless. First adjective related word gratuitous, uncalled for. Definition unnecessary and unwarranted. For example, a striker's tent camp was burned with needless loss of life. Synonyms word unnecessary, useless, superfluous, gratuitous. Antonyms word needful, useful, helpful, obligatory. Word negotiate. First verb related word negotiate, talk terms. Definition discuss the terms of an arrangement. For example, they negotiated the sale of the house. Second verb related word negotiate. Definition succeed in passing through, around, or over. For example, the hiker negotiated the high mountain pass. Synonyms word transact, effect, pass, perform. Antonyms word mismanage, misconduct, quash, stop. Word damage. First verb related word damage. Definition inflict damage upon. For example, the snow damaged the roof. Second example, she damaged the car when she hit the tree. Second verb related word damage. Definition suffer or be susceptible to damage. For example, these fine china cups damage easily. Synonyms word injury, hurt, loss, mischief, detriment, impairment. Antonyms word compensation, recovery, reinstatement. Word dare. First verb related word make bold, presume. Definition take upon oneself. Second definition act presumptuously without permission. For example, how dare you call my lawyer? Second verb related word dare. Definition to be courageous enough to try or do something. For example, I don't dare call him. Second example, she dares to dress differently from the others. Third verb related word defy. Definition challenge. For example, I dare you. Synonyms word venture, face, brave, hazard, risk, defy, challenge. Antonyms word shrink, sun, dread, cover. Word daring. First adjective related word audacious, venturesome, venturous. Definition disposed to venture or take risks. For example, audacious visions of the total conquest of space. Second example, an audacious interpretation of two Jacobin dramas. Third example, the most daring of contemporary fiction writers. Fourth example, a venturesome investor. Fifth example, a venturous spirit. Second adjective related word avant-garde. Definition radically new or original. For example, an avant-garde theater piece. Synonyms word adventurous, dashing, bold, courageous, venturesome, dauntless, foolhardy, fearless, brave, intrepid, valorous. Antonyms word courteous, timid, inadventurous. Word darling. First noun related word favorite, favorite, pet, dairy, dairy, ducky. Definition: a special loved one. Second noun related word: darling, darling river. Definition: an Australian river. Second definition: tributary of the Murray River. First adjective related word: beloved, dear. Definition: dearly loved. First adjective related word: beloved, dear. Definition: dearly loved. Synonyms word: pet, love, sweet, pretty, dear, favorite, delight. Antonyms word: antipathy, abomination, horror. Word: data. First noun related word: information. Definition: a collection of facts from which conclusions may be drawn. For example, statistical data. Synonyms word: facts, grounds, basis, axioms, postulates. Antonyms word: conjecture, assumption, problem, proposition, inference, deduction. Word: don't. First verb related word: dash, scare off, pall, frighten off, scare away, frighten away, scare. Definition: cause to, lose courage. For example, dashed by the refusal. Synonyms word: terrify, scare, frighten, cow, dishearten, appall, intimidate, confront. Antonyms word: countenance, encourage, rally, inspirit. Word: dauntless. First adjective related word: audacious, brave, fearless, hardy, intrepid, unfearing. Definition: invulnerable to fear or intimidation. For example, audacious explorers. Second example, fearless reporters and photographers. Fourth example, intrepid pioneers. Synonyms word: valiant, gallant, fearless, lion-hearted, intrepid. Antonyms word: courteous, cowardly, timid. Word: dawdle. First verb related word: linger. Definition: take one's time. Second definition: proceed slowly. Second verb related word: daily. Definition: waste time. For example, get busy, don't daily. Third verb related word: lag, fall back, fall behind. Definition: hang back or fall behind in movement, progress, development, etc. Synonyms word: lag, daily, idle. Antonyms word: haste, speed, dash, rush, work, fag. Word: dawn. First verb related word: click, get through, come home, get across, sink in, penetrate, fall into place. Definition: become clear or enter once. Second definition: consciousness or emotions. For example, it dawned on him that she had betrayed him. Second example, she was penetrated with sorrow. Second verb related word: dawn. Definition: appear or develop. For example, the age of computers had dawned. Third verb related word: dawn. Definition: become light. For example, it started to dawn and we had to get up. Synonyms word: gleam, begin, appear, rise, open, break. Antonyms word: wane, set, sink, close, depart. Word: dead. First noun related word: Dead. Definition: people who are no longer living. For example, they buried the dead. Second noun related word, dead. For example, a time when coldness or some other quality associated with death in intense. For example, the dead of winter. First adjective related word, dead. Definition: no longer having or seeming to have or expecting to have life. For example, the nerve is dead. Synonyms word, defunct, deceased, departed, gone, inanimate, lifeless, insensible, heavy, unconscious, dull, spiritless, cheerless, deserted, torpid, still. Antonyms word, vital, living, animate, vivacious, susceptible, alive, joyous, stirring, thronged, bustling. Word, balance. First verb related word, equilibrate, equilibrage, equilibrage. Definition: bring into balance or equilibrium. For example, she has to balance work and her. Second example, domestic duties. Third example, balance the two weights. Second verb related word, balance. Definition: compute credits and debits of an account. Third verb related word, poise. Definition: hold or carry in equilibrium. Fourth verb related word, balance. Definition: be in equilibrium. For example, he was balancing on one foot. Synonyms word, weigh, poise, pit, it, counterpoise, contract, neutralize, equalize, estimate, redress, adjust. Antonyms word, upset, tilt, cant, subvert, mispoise, overbalance. Word, beach. First noun related word, beach. Definition: an area of sand sloping down to the water of a sea or lake. First verb related word, beach. Definition: land on a beach. For example, the ship beached near the port. Synonyms word, shore, coast, strand, seacoast, seaboard, seashore. Antonyms word, sea, ocean, deep, main. Word, bear. First noun related word, bear. Definition: massive plantigrade, carnivorous or omnivorous. Mammals with long saggy coats and strong claws. Second noun related word, bear. Definition: an investor with a pessimistic market outlook. Second definition: an investor who expects prices to fall and so sells now in order to buy later at a lower price. First verb related word, bear. Definition: have. For example, bear a resemblance. Second example, bear a signature. Second verb related word, give birth, deliver, birth, have. Definition: cause to be born. For example, my wife had twins yesterday. Synonyms word, carry, lift, transport, convey, maintain, uphold, suffer, undergo, support, tolerate, waft, yield, sustain, hold, harbor, entertain, fill, enact, endure, admit, produce, generate. Antonyms word, drop, refuse, decline, resign, expel, eject, resist, repel, protest, resent, reject. Word, beat. First adjective related word all in, buzzed, dead. Definition very tired. For example, was all in at the end of the day. Second example, so be it, I could flop down and go to sleep anywhere. Third example, buzzed after all that exercise. Fourth example, I am dead after that long trip. Synonyms word strike, pound, batter, surpass, thrash, cudgel, overcome, defeat, conquer, worst, whack, belabor, vanquish. Antonyms word defend, protect, shield, fall, shelter, surrender, stroke, caress, pat. Word befool. First verb related word fool, ghoul. Definition make a fool or dupe of. Second verb related word ghoul, dupe, slang, code, fool, put on, take in, put one over, put one across. Definition fool or hoax. For example, the immigrant was duped because he trusted everyone. Second example, you can't fool me. Synonyms word deceive, cheat, mystify, bamboozle, ensnare, hoodwink, mislead. Antonyms word guide, enlighten, advise, undeceive, lead. Word beg. First verb related word implore, pray. Definition call upon, in supplication. Second definition entreat. For example, I beg you to stop. Second verb related word solicit, tap. Definition make a solicitation or entreaty for something. Second definition request urgently or persistently. For example, Henry IV solicited the Pope for a divorce. Second example, my neighbor keeps soliciting money for different charities. Third verb related word beg. Definition ask to obtain free. For example, beg money and food. Synonyms word ask, request, entreat, supplicate, beseech, implore, pray, petition, crave. Antonyms word insist, exact, extort, require, demand. Word beggar. First noun related word mendicant. Definition a pauper who lives by begging. First verb related word beggar. Definition be beyond the resources of. Definition the beggar's description. Second verb related word pauperize, pauperize. Definition reduced to beggary. Synonyms word mendicant, petitioner, sweater, suppliant, applicant. Antonyms word exactor, extortioner. Word beggarly. First adjective related word mean. Definition marked by poverty, befitting a beggar. For example, a beggarly existence in the slums. Second example, a mean hut. Second adjective related word mean. Definition used of sums of money. So small in amount as to deserve contempt. Synonyms word miserable, poor, stinted, wretched, niggardly, stingy, scant, illiberal. Antonyms word noble, princely, stately, prodigal, sumptuous, liberal, profuse, gorgeous. Word beloved. First noun related word dear, dearest, honey, love. Definition a beloved person. Second definition used as terms of endearment. First adjective related word darling, dear. Definition dearly loved. Synonyms word cared for, cherished, loved. Antonyms word hated, loathed. Word below. First adverb related word at a lower place, to a lower place, beneath. Definition in or to a place that is lower. Second adverb related word infra. Definition in writing at a later place. For example, see below. Second example, wide infra. Third adverb related word downstairs, down the stairs, on a lower floor. Definition on a floor below. For example, the tenants live downstairs. Synonyms word under, beneath, adown, underneath. Antonyms word above, over, aloft. Word bend. First noun related word crook, twist, turn. Definition a circular segment of a curve. For example, a bend in the road. Second example, a crook in the path. Second noun related word bending. Definition movement that causes the formation of a curve. Third noun related word curve. Definition curved segment of a road or river or railroad track, etc. Fourth noun related word fold, crease, plication, flexure, crimp. Definition an angular or rounded shape made by folding. For example, a fold in the napkin. Second example, a crease in his trousers. Synonyms word curve, deviate, incline, tend, swerve, diverge, mold, persuade, influence, bias, dispose, direct, lower, subordinate to, lean, deflect, bow, condescend, yield, stoop, submit. Antonyms word proceed, continue, extend, advance, stand, stiffen, break, crush, resist. Word benefactor. First noun related word helper. Definition a person who helps people or institutions, especially with financial help. Synonyms word friend, supporter, contributor, upholder, well-wisher, favorer, well-doer, patron. Antonyms word foe, opponent, disfavorer, antagonist, rival, backfriend, oppressor. Word benefit. First verb related word profit, gain. Definition derive a benefit from. For example, she profited from his vast experience. Second verb related word do good. Definition be beneficial for. For example, this will do you good. Synonyms word boon, behoof, service, utility, avail, use, good, advantage, profit, favor, blessing. Antonyms word avail, loss, disadvantage, detriment, damage, calamity, bereavement, injury, privation. Word big. First adverb related word big. Definition extremely well. For example, his performance went over big. Second adverb related word boastfully, wantingly, large. Definition in a boastful manner. For example, he talked big all evening. Third adverb related word big. Definition on a grand scale. For example, think big. Fourth adverb related word big. Definition in a major way. For example, the play failed big at the box office. Synonyms word large, great, wide, huge, bulky, proud, arrogant, pompous, fat, massive, gross. Antonyms word little, small, narrow, minute, slight, lean, affable, easy, unaffected. Word blacken. First verb related word melanize, melanize, black. Definition make or become black. For example, the smoke blackened the ceiling. Second example, the ceiling blackened. Second verb related word char, sear, scorch. Definition burn slightly and superficially so as to affect color. For example, the cook blackened the chicken breast. Second example, the fire charred the ceiling above the mantelpiece. Synonyms word bespatter, befoul, bedaub, defame, decry, calumniate, dishonor, asperse, traduce, vilify, slander, malign. Antonyms word vindicate, clear, eulogize. Word blackguard. First verb related word ridicule, roast, guy. Word blackguard. First verb related word ridicule, roast, guy, laugh at, jest at, rib, make fun, poke fun. Definition subject to laughter or ridicule. For example, the satirist ridiculed the plans for a new opera house. Second example, the students poked fun at the inexperienced teacher. Fourth example, his former students roasted the professor at his 60th birthday. Second verb related word abuse, clapperclaw, shout. Definition use foul or abusive language towards. For example, the actress abused the policeman who gave her a parking ticket. Second example, the angry mother shouted at the teacher. Synonyms word scoundrel, rascal, rapscallion, blackleg, villain. Antonyms word gentleman. Word brook. First verb related word digest, endure, stick out, stomach, bear, stand, tolerate, support, abide, suffer, put up. Definition put up with something or somebody unpleasant. For example, I can't bear his constant criticism. Second example, the new secretary had to endure a lot of unprofessional remarks. Synonyms word bear, tolerate, suffer, endure, undergo, submit to, permit. Antonyms word resist, resent, reject. Word early. First adverb related word early on. Definition during an early stage. For example, early on in her career. Second adverb related word ahead of time, too soon. Definition before the usual time or the time expected. For example, she graduated early. Second example, the house was completed ahead of time. Third adverb related word betimes. Definition in good time. For example, he awoke betimes that morning. Synonyms word soon, betimes, forward, shortly, quickly, erlong, anon, matutinal, beforehand. Antonyms word late, tardily, backward, vespertinal, belated. Word earn. First verb related word gain, take in, clear, make, realize, release, pull in, bring in. Definition earn on some commercial or business transactions. Second definition earn as salary or wages. For example, how much do you make a month in your new job? Second example, she earns a lot in her new job. Synonyms word merit, acquire, achieve, obtain, win, gain, deserve, release. Antonyms word forfeit, forgo, waste, loss, spend, squander. Word easy. First adjective related word easy. Definition posing no difficulty. Second definition requiring little effort. For example, an easy job. Second example, an easy problem. Third example, an easy victory. Fourth example, the house is easy to hit. Fifth example, satisfied with easy answers. Sixth example, took the easy way out of his dilemma. Second adjective related word, easygoing, leisurely. Definition, not hurried or forced. For example, an easy walk around the block. Second example, at a leisurely or easygoing pace. Synonyms word quiet, comfortable, manageable, indulgent, facile, lenient, unconstrained, gentle, not difficult, unconcerned, self-possessed. Antonyms word uneasy, disturbed, uncomfortable, difficult, unmanageable, hard, exacting, anxious, awkward, embarrassed. Word economize. First verb related word conserve, husband, economize. Definition use cautiously and frugally. For example, I try to economize my spare time. Second example, conserve your energy for the ascent to the summit. Second verb related word save, economize. Definition spend sparingly, avoid the waste of. For example, this move will save money. Second example, the less fortunate will have to economize now. Synonyms word husband, develop, utilize. Antonyms word waste, misuse, sacrifice. Word egotism. First noun related word self-importance, swelled head. Definition an exalted opinion of your own importance. Second noun related word ego, self-importance. Definition: an inflated feeling of pride in your superiority to others. Synonyms: word conceit, vanity, self-assertion, self-conceit, self-praise, self-exaltation, conceitedness. Antonyms: word considerateness, deference, self-abnegation. Word elegy. First noun related word lament. Definition: a mournful poem. Second definition: a lament for the dead. Synonyms: word dirge, threnody, lament, jeremiad. Antonyms: word paean, jubilee. Word element. First noun related word component, constituent, factor, ingredient. Definition: an abstract part of something. For example, Julius was a component of his character. Synonyms: word component, part, atom. Antonyms: word whole, total, mass, aggregate. Word emotion. First noun related word emotion. Definition: any strong feeling. Synonyms: word passion, feeling, excitement, agitation, perturbation, trepidation, tremor. Antonyms: word indifferent, insensibility, impassiveness, imperturbability, stoicism. Word enable. First verb related word enable. Definition: render capable or able for some task. For example, this skill will enable you to find a job on Wall Street. Second example, the rope enables you to secure yourself when you climb the mountain. Synonyms: word empower, strengthen, qualify. Antonyms: word disqualify, hinder, disable. Word enmity. First noun related word hostility, antagonism. Definition: a state of deep-seated ill will. Second noun related word hostility, ill will. Definition: the feeling of a hostile person. For example, he could no longer contain his hostility. Synonyms: word discord, hate, hostility, malevolence, maliciousness, aversion, malignity, ill-feeling, animosity, opposition, bitterness, acrimony, asperity. Antonyms: word friendship, love, affection, esteem, friendliness, cordiality. Word enormous. First adjective related word tremendous. Definition: extraordinarily large in size or extent or amount or power or degree. For example, an enormous boulder. Second example, enormous expenses. Third example, tremendous sweeping plans. Fourth example, a tremendous fact in human experience. Definition: that a whole civilization should be dependent on technology. By Walter Lippmann. For example, a plane took off with a tremendous noise. Synonyms: word huge, immense, gigantic, colossal, elephantine, vast, gross, monstrous, prodigious. Antonyms: word diminutive, insignificant, trivial, venial, average, ordinary, regular. Word enough. First adjective related word adequate. Definition: sufficient for the purpose. For example, an adequate income. Second example, the food was adequate. Third example, enough food. Fourth example, food enough. First adverb related word, plenty. Definition, as much as necessary. For example, have I eaten enough? Synonyms word, sufficient, ample, plenty, abundance. Antonyms word, bare, scant, insufficient, inadequate, short. Word calm. First adjective related word, unagitated, serene, tranquil. Definition, not agitated. Second definition, without losing self-possession. For example, spoke in a calm voice. Second example, remained calm throughout the uproar. Third example, he remained serene in the midst of turbulence. Fourth example, a serene expression on her face. Fifth example, she became more tranquil. Sixth example, tranquil life in the country. Second adjective related word, calm. Definition, of weather free from storm or wind. For example, calm seas. Synonyms word, smooth, pacify, compose, allay, still, soothe, appease, assuage, quiet, tranquilize. Antonyms word, stir, excite, agitate, disconcert, ruffle, lash, hit, discompose. Word cancel. First verb related word, call off, scratch, scrub. Definition, postpone indefinitely or annul something that was scheduled. For example, call off the engagement. Second example, cancel the dinner party. Third example, we had to scrub our vacation plans. Fourth example, scratch that meeting, the chair is ill. Second verb related word, offset, set off. Definition, make up for. For example, his skills offset his opponent's superior strength. Synonyms word, efface, blot out, annul, expunge, nullify, quash, rescind, repeal, revoke, abrogate, obliterate, discharge, erase, abolish, countervail. Antonyms word, enforce, enact, reenact, confirm, perpetuate, contract. Word candidate. First noun related word, compagner, nominee. Definition, a politician who is running for public office. Second noun related word, prospect. Definition, someone who is considered for something, for an office or prize or honor, etc. Synonyms word, aspirant, petitioner, canvasser, applicant, claimant, solicitor. Antonyms word, waiver, decliner, abandoner, resigner, abjurer, non-competitor. Word cargo. First noun related word, lading, freight, load, loading, payload, shipment, consignment. Definition, goods carried by a large vehicle. Synonyms word, freight, burden, load, consignment, merchandise, lading, goods. Antonyms word, conveyance, bearer, carrier. Word carnage. First noun related word, slaughter, massacre, mass murder, butchery. Definition, the savage and excessive killing of many people. Synonyms word, massacre, slaughter, bloodshed, butchery. Antonyms word ransom, deliverance, quarter. Word kernel. First adjective related word animal, fleshly, sensual. Definition marked by the appetites and passions of the body. For example, animal instincts. Second example, kernel knowledge. Third example, fleshly desire. Fourth example, a sensual delight in eating. Fifth example, music is the only sensual pleasure without vice. Second adjective related word, kernel. Definition of or relating to the body or flesh. For example, kernel remains. Synonyms word fleshly, sensual, self-indulgent, licentious, animal, coarse, base, worldly, impure, libidinous, secular. Antonyms word spiritual, ethereal, pure, self-controlled, temperate, exalted, refined. Word carol. First noun related word Christmas carol. Definition joyful religious song celebrating the birth of Christ. Second noun related word carol. Definition a joyful song usually celebrating the birth of Christ. First verb related word carol. Definition sing carols. For example, they went caroling on Christmas Day. Synonyms word sing, warble, chirp, trill, whistle, chirrup, chant, hum. Antonyms word whine, croak, cry, dirge, lament. Word carouse. First noun related word carousal, bender, toot, booze up. Definition revelry in drinking. Second definition a merry drinking party. First verb related word roister, roit. Definition engage in boisterous drunken merrymaking. For example, they were out carousing last night. Synonyms word festivity, feast, banquet, revel, debauch. Antonyms word fast, starvation, macration, abstinence. Word caste. First noun related word caste. Definition social status or position conferred by a system based on class. For example, loss caused by doing work beneath one's station. Second noun related word caste. Definition Hinduism. A hereditary social class among Hindus. Second definition stratified according to ritual purity. Synonyms word order, class, rank, lineage, race, blood, dignity, respect. Antonyms word degradation, taboo, disrepute, abasement, reproach. Word cement. First verb related word cement. Definition make fast as if with cement. For example, we cemented our friendship. Second word cement. Definition cover or coat with cement. Third verb related word cement. Definition bind or join with or as if with cement. Synonyms word bind, bond, unite, perpetuate, consolidate. Antonyms word detach, dissolve, dissociate, disintegrate, divorce. Word absolve. First verb related word shrew. Definition grant remission of a sin to. For example, the priest absolved him and told him to say 10 Hail Mars. Second verb related word free. Definition let off the hook. For example, I absolve you from this responsibility. Synonyms word acquit, release, exonerate, liberate, exempt, discharge, exculpate, pardon, forgive, free, clear. Antonyms word charge, accuse, compel, bind, obligate, convict, condemn, inculpate, impeach, oblige. Word absorb. First verb related word absorb. Definition become imbued. For example, the liquids, light, and gases absorb. Second verb related word assimilate, engaged, take in. Definition take up mentally. For example, he absorbed the knowledge or beliefs of his tribe. Third verb related word take over. Definition take up as of debts or payments. For example, absorb the costs for something. Synonyms word swallow, drown, consume, imbibe, engross, drink in, suck up, engulf, monopolize, exhaust. Antonyms word eject, emit, exude, disgorge, dissipate, distract, distill, disperse. Word abstain. First verb related word abstain. Definition refrain from voting. Second verb related word refrain, desist. Definition choose not to consume. For example, I abstain from alcohol. Synonyms word refrain, forbear, refuge, demur, avoid, keys, stop, keep back, desist, discontinue, withhold, scruple. Antonyms word indulge, exceed, reveal, wanton. Word abstemious. First adjective related word abstemious. Definition sparing in consumption of especially food and drink. For example, the pleasures of the table never of much consequence to one naturally abstemious by John Galsworthy. Second adjective related word light. Definition marked by temperance in indulgence. For example, abstemious with the use of adverbs. Second example, a light eater. Third example, a light smoker. Fourth example, ate a light supper. Synonyms word abstinent, moderate, self-denying, sober, temperate, sparing, frugal. Antonyms word sensual, self-indulgent, gluttonous, greedy, intemperate. Word a word. First verb related word present. Definition give especially as an honor or reward. For example, bestow honors and prizes at graduation. Second verb related word grant. Definition give as judged due or on the basis of merit. For example, the referee awarded a free kick to the team. Synonyms word assign, apportion, attribute, accord, grant, distribute, divide, allot, give, determine, decree, order, adjudge. Antonyms word: refuge, withhold, withdraw, retain, misappropriate, misapportion. Word aback. First adverb related verb aback. Definition: having the wind against the forward side of the sails. For example, the ship came up into the wind with all yards aback. Second adverb related verb aback. Definition: by surprise. For example, taken aback by the caustic remarks. Synonyms word: backwards, rearwards, aft, abaft, astern, behind, back. Antonyms word: onwards, forwards, ahead, before, affront. Word abyss. First verb related word embrace. Definition: cause to be embraced. Second definition: cause to feel self-conscious. Synonyms word: confound, confuse, discompose, bewilder, daunt, cow, humble, disconcert, dishearten, motility, shame, humiliate. Antonyms word: countenance, cheer, uphold, encourage, rally, inspirit, animate, incite, embolden, abet, buoy. Word abdicate. First verb related word renounce. Definition: give up, such as power, as for monarchs and emperors, or duties and obligations. For example, the king abdicated when he married a divorce. Synonyms word: abandon, relinquish, resign, surrender, vacate. Antonyms word: retain, maintain, claim, occupy, assert, grasp, seize, usurp. Word abhor. First verb related word loath, abominate, execrate. Definition: find repugnant. For example, I loathe that man. Second example, she abhors cats. Synonyms word: hate, abominate, detest, loathe, despise, dislike, eschew, nauseate. Antonyms word: love, admire, enjoy, approve, affect, covet, release, crave, desire. Word above. First adverb related word supra. Definition: in writing, at an earlier place. For example, see above. Second adverb related word higher up, in a higher place, to a higher place. Definition: in or to a place that is higher. Synonyms word over, beyond, exceeding. Antonyms word below, within, beneath. Word pace. First verb related word pace. Definition: walk with slow or fast paces. For example, he paced up and down the hall. Second verb related word pace. Definition: go at a pace. For example, the horse paced. Third verb related word step. Definition: measure distances by pacing. For example, step of 10 yards. Fourth verb related word pace. Definition: regulate or set the pace up. For example, pace your efforts. Synonyms word step, stride, tread, get. Antonyms word standing still. Word pacification. First noun related word mollification. Definition: The act of appeasing someone or causing someone to be more favorably inclined. For example, a wonderful skill in the pacification of crying infants. Second example, his unsuccessful mollification of the mob. Second non-related word, pes treaty. Definition: a treaty to cage hostilities. For example, peace came on November 11th. Third noun-related word, counterinsurgency. Definition: actions taken by a government to defeat insurgency. Synonyms word, conciliation, reconciliation, arrangement, compromise, adjustment. Antonyms word, warfare, fighting, hostilities, war, arms, the sword. Word, pacify. First verb related word, lenify, conciliate, assuage, appease, mollify, placate, gentle, gruntle. Definition: cause to be more favorably inclined. Second definition: gain the goodwill of. For example, she managed to mollify the angry customer. Second verb related word, pacify. Definition: fight violence and try to establish peace in a location. For example, the UN troops are working to pacify Bosnia. Synonyms word, appease, conciliate, calm, still, soothe, quiet, tranquilize. Antonyms word, exasperate, agitate, excite, irritate, rouse, provoke. Word, pact. First noun related word, treaty, accord. Definition: a written agreement between two states or sovereigns. Synonyms word, agreement, bargain, covenant, league, bond, alliance, stipulation. Antonyms word, understanding, promise, parole, honor. Word, paean. First noun related word, encomium, eulogy, panegyric, paean. Definition: a formal expression of praise. Second noun related word, paean. Definition: ancient Greece, a hymn of praise. Second definition: especially one sung in ancient Greece to invoke or thank a deity. Synonyms word, jubilation, Te Alleluia. Antonyms word, dirge, miserere, threnody, jeremiad. Word, peasant. First noun related word, peasantry. Definition: an elaborate representation of scenes from history etc. Second definition: usually involves a parade with rich costumes. Second non-related word, pageantry. Definition: a rich and spectacular ceremony. Synonyms word, pomp, procession, exhibition, display, spectacle, show, ceremony. Antonyms word, dream, illusion, phantasmagoria, mockery. Word, palm. First verb related word, handle. Definition: touch, lift, or hold with the hands. For example, don't handle the merchandise. Synonyms word, trophy, prize, crown, laurels, badge. Antonyms word, brand, stigma, same, blot. Word palpitate. First verb related word palpitate. Definition: cause to throb or beat rapidly. For example, he violent feelings palpitated the young woman's heart. Second verb related word quaver, quake. Definition: shake with fast, tremulous movements. For example, his nostrils palpitated. Third verb related word flutter. Definition: beat rapidly. For example, his heart palpitated. Synonyms word throb, flutter, beat, pulsate, pant. Antonyms word pause, stop, keys. Word haggle. First verb related word haggle, chaffer, huckster. Definition: wrangle over a price, terms of an agreement, etc. For example, let's not haggle over a few dollars. Synonyms word haggle, chaffer, bargain, stickles. Antonyms word yield, deduct, abate, reduce, discount. Word half. First adverb related word half. Definition: partially or to the extent of a half. For example, he was half hidden by the bushes. Synonyms word moiety, bisection, diminution. Antonyms word integrity, entirety, totality, whole. Word halt. First adjective related word crippled, halting, lame, gimpy, game. Definition: disabled in the feet or legs. For example, a crippled soldier. Second example, a game leg. Synonyms word stop, rest, limp, falter, hammer, stammer, demur, dubitate, pause, hold, stand still, hesitate. Antonyms word advance, decide, determine, speed, flow, carrier. Word hand. First verb related word pass, reach, pass on, turn over, give. Definition: place into the hands or custody of. For example, hand me the spoon, please. Second example, turn the files over to me, please. Third example, he turned over the prisoner to his lawyers. Second verb related word hand. Definition: guide or conduct or usher somewhere. For example, hand the elderly lady into the taxi. Synonyms word laborer, workman, operative, artisan, agency, influence, index. Antonyms word employer. Word harangue. First verb related word harangue. Definition: deliver a harangue to address forcefully. Synonyms word speech, oration, declamation, effusion, rant. Antonyms word stammer, stutter, mutter, mumble, drawl, insinuation, suggestion, reasoning, blandiloquence. Word harm. First verb related word harm. Definition: cause or do harm to. For example, these pills won't harm your system. Synonyms word hurt, mischief, injury, detriment, damage, evil, wrong, misfortune, ill, mishap. Antonyms word benefit, boon, amelioration, improvement, reparation, compensation, healing, remedy. Word haste. First noun related word hastiness, hurry, hurriedness, precipitation. Definition overly eager speed and possible carelessness. For example, he soon regretted his haste. Second noun related word hurry, rush, rushing. Definition the act of moving hurriedly and in a careless manner. For example, in his haste to leave, he forget his book. Third noun related word hurry. Definition a condition of urgency making it necessary to hurry. For example, in a hurry to lock the door. Synonyms word speedy, celerity, expedition, hurry, dispatch, excitement, heedlessness, swiftness. Antonyms word slowness, tardiness, delay, coolness, reflection, moderation, steadiness. Word quell. First verb related word flinch, squinch, funk, cringe, shrink, wince, recoil. Definition draw back as with fear or pain. For example, she flinched when they saw the slaughtering of the calf. Synonyms word sink, shrink, cover, succumb, crouch, flinch, blanch, tremble. Antonyms word stand, defy, withstand, face, endure. Word quake. First non related word earthquake, timber, seism. Definition shaking and vibration at the surface of the earth resulting from underground movement along a fault plane or from volcanic activity. First verb related word quiver, palpitate. Definition shake with fast tremulous movements. For example, his nostrils palpitated. Second verb related word tremor. Definition shake with seismic vibrations. For example, the earth was quaking. Synonyms word tremble, shake, shudder, vibrate, quiver, quaver. Antonyms word stand, rest, root. Word quandary. First noun related word predicament, plight. Definition a situation from which extrication is difficult, especially an unpleasant or trying one. For example, finds himself in a most awkward predicament. Second example, the woeful plight of homeless people. Second noun related word dilemma. Definition state of uncertainty or perplexity, especially as requiring a choice between equally unfavorable options. Synonyms word hobble, difficulty, doubt, puzzle, uncertainty, perplexity, bewilderment, dubitation, betting, dilemma, embarrassment. Antonyms word clear-sightedness, resolution, plainness, plain. Antonyms word clear-sightedness, resolution, plainness, clearness, obviousness, facility, disencumbrance, disentanglement, disembarrassment. Word quantity. First noun related word measure, amount. Definition: how much there is or how many there are of something that you can quantify. Second noun related word quantity. Definition: an adequate or large amount. For example, he had a quantity of ammunition. Third noun related word quantity. Definition: the concept that something has a magnitude and can be represented in mathematical expressions by a constant or a variable. Synonyms word measure, amount, bulk, size, sum, portion, aggregate, muchness, part, share, division. Antonyms word margin, deficiency, deduction, want, inadequacy, scantiness, insufficiency, loss, deterioration, diminution, waste, wear, leakage. Word quarrelsome. First adjective related word quarrelsome. Definition given to quarreling. For example, arguing children. Second example, quarrelsome when drinking. Synonyms word choleric, irascible, petulant, litigious, pugnacious, brawling, fiery, hot-tempered, contentious, irritable. Antonyms word peaceable, amenable, genial, unquarrelsome, inoffensive, mild, meek, conciliatory, bland, suave. Word ques. First verb related word repress, keep down, subdue, subjugate, reduce. Definition: put down by force or intimidation. For example, the government quashes any attempt of an uprising. Second example, China keeps down her dissidents very efficiently. Third example, the rich landowners subjugated the peasants working the land. Second verb related word invalidate, annual, void, avoid, nullify. Definition: declare invalid. For example, the contract was annulled. Synonyms word crush, extinguish, overthrow, annihilate, annul, nullify, suppress, cancel, vacate. Antonyms word sap, undermine, disorganize, decompose. Word queer. First adjective related word curious, funny, odd, peculiar, rum, rummy, singular. Definition: beyond or deviating from the usual or expected. For example, a curious hybrid accent. Second example, her speech has a funny twang. Third example, they have some funny ideas about war. Synonyms word odd, whimsical, quaint, cross, strange, crotchety, singular, eccentric. Antonyms word ordinary, common, usual, familiar, customary. Word quell. First verb related word squelch, quench. Definition: suppress or crush completely. For example, squelch any sign of dissent. Second example, quench a rebellion. Second verb related word, stay, appease. Definition, overcome or allay. For example, quell my hunger. Synonyms word, extinguish, destroy, crush, reduce, allay, stifle, quiet, pacify, quench, repress, suppress, claim, put out, subdue, quench, overpower. Antonyms word, foster, excite, fan, aggravate, stir, irritate, disturb, rage, inflame.